Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? Very good. Today is Friday, May 8, 2020, and this is the first activity. We continue in the topic 8, how will technology change the world? Okay, the next vocabulary that we're going to study is about technology. So, copy in your notebook the list, listen, and repeat after me. Number 1, algorithm. Number 2, analysis. Number 3, artificial intelligence. 4, assembly line. 6, computerize. 7, humanoid. 8, implant. 9, machine. 10, nanorobot. 11, program. 12, prototype. Okay, so in your notebook, copy the title for this list and don't forget the date. Okay, so pause the video if you need. Let's continue with the next. Okay, now we are gonna write the definitions. Okay, pay attention and listen. Number 1, algorithm. That word is a noun. The algorithm is a set of instructions that calculate and answer the mathematical problem. Computers rely on algorithms to process information. Okay, let's tell a sentence for that vocabulary. In this case, for example, it can be music apps as YouTube use algorithms to predict if fans of one band will like another. If you are listening a kind of music on YouTube, then an algorithm appears and you can check another song or another singer related with your favorite kind of music. Okay, so an algorithm is a set of instructions that calculate an answer to a mathematical problem. Next word, analyze. That word is a noun. Through investigation of something. Okay, so here, an example of that word, it can be the child analyzes the options on the test. El niño analiza las opciones de su examen. Next word, number 3, artificial intelligence. You can substitute that word for AL. En vez de esta palabra podemos poner esta abreviación también. The use of computers to imitate the learning ability and thinking power of humans.
For example, the robot has artificial intelligence. Okay. Now let's continue. Look at the robot. It's dancing. Now let's continue with the next. Assembly line. That word is a noun. A line of workers or machines in a factory each doing a small job to manufacture something. Look at the picture. You can see an assembly line with cars. The men are making their jobs. Now, a sentence for a word can be part after part is seated on the assembly line until the whole product is assembled. Parte por parte es agregada en la línea de ensamblaje hasta que el producto completo es terminado. Next word. Automated. that is an adjective, operated by machines or computers to reduce the work done by humans. In this case, for example, the company recently automated its filing process. La compañía recientemente automatizó sus procesos de archivo. Number 6. The word is computerized. Operated or controlled by a computer. For example, I work in a completely computerized office. Yo trabajo en una oficina completamente computarizada. Okay, let's continue with the next. Humanoid is an adjective as well, resembling a human. For example, here it can be creative creatures such as the Yeti or Bigfoot have humanoid characteristics. Next word, implant, is a noun as well, a device with a specific function that is inserted into the body. For example, a sentence with that word, it can be, my grandmother has a dental implant. Mi abuelita tiene implantes dentales. Number 9, machine. A device made of different parts and used to do a particular job. For example, here
you can say
a vacuum cleaner is a machine that sucks up dust from carpets. This is a vacuum cleaner, una aspiradora. Es una máquina que limpia o remueve el polvo de la alfombra. Okay, now let's continue. Number 10. Nanorobot is a noun as well. An extremely small robot the size of a molecule. For example, you can say here, the team is developing nanorobots to unblock clogged arteries. El equipo está desarrollando nanobots para destapar arterias. Number 11. Program. A series of instructions that makes a computer perform a task. For example, a sentence can be, our teacher designed a computer program as Google Classroom to check our homework. Nuestra maestra diseñó un programa de computadora como Google Classroom para checar nuestra tarea. Number 12. Prototype. The first version of an invention or innovation from which all later versions are developed. Un prototipo. Okay, for example, here it can be, he tested the prototype of the airplane. Él probó el prototipo del avión. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, here we have a song. Why can't a robot be more like a human? Okay, listen a song and complete with the following words. Okay, are the words that we study. You can write here the correct word and you can edit the insert.
so here you can edit using the pen that you have here, and you can write here in the text, or if you don't launch your presentation, you can write in this way. You select the rectangle, then you make a click in the mouse in the right button, and you put here edit text, and then you can write the correct answer. Okay, you did it in the way that you prefer. Now I'm going to put the song and you're going to listen. Okay, are you ready? Go! You can sing the lyrics as in the classroom.
I was the greatest living chess player the world had ever seen, the king of every tournament, sharp and fast and mean, until that dreadful day when my world turned upside down, and a robot with AI stole my winner's crown. So now I must speak up for every woman, every man. But why can't a robot be more like a human?
It's sung as a rap.
I don't care if it's humanoid and looks like you or me. Its appearance is irrelevant if it lacks psychology. It's making its decisions by applying algorithms, processing information to make inhuman decisions, analyzing all my moves with its complicated program. But why can't a robot be more like a human?
We are here.
I've seen the latest prototype of yet another robot. It has sensors that can penetrate our feelings and our thoughts. If this thing's mass-produced on huge assembly lines, then our precious human race is going fast into decline. Because we'll never stand a chance if we can't even lie and cheat. That's why a robot will never face defeat.
Oh. Now let's continue. Here.
These wretched things are everywhere. Every factory's automated. And in the next few years, even surgeons will be outdated. Nanorobots the size of molecules are the latest medical craze. Now they want to implant them in living people's brains. But that will turn all humans into computerized machines. But why can't robots just be blown to smithereens?
Nice song. I miss you guys that remember me when you were singing in the classroom. Okay, now we finished this. So remember that you are going to edit this slide and you're going to send me, okay? The rest of this presentation I wanted you to copy. Copy the list, the definitions, with the draws, and don't write a sentence, okay? I just put that in order that you check the meaning and edit this presentation. So you're gonna send me your photos of the evidence and this slide edited, okay? Thank you for watching. Then you're going to answer the next exercise related with the concepts that we study here. And at the end, for homework, you are going to write sentences with the vocabulary, okay? You're going to complete a chart that I'm going to send you in a moment. Thank you for watching and have a nice and beautiful day.